Well guys, I told you that I was gonna do things different this year, and I'm going to try to bring you more information on the yachts that I spot in Miami. So this time in Miami Beach, which I called Super Yacht Marina, I spotted this awesome Infinity Yacht. Infinity Yacht is a 117-meter motor yacht built in the Netherlands by Oceanco. It was delivered on 2022 and her top speed is about 18 knots. She can accommodate up to 24 guests in plenty of cabins. Yacht Infinity has a hefty price of $300 million, about 60,000 per ton. So you can make the math. Annually, running cost is about 30 million. The owner of the yacht is Eric Smith, and he is the founder of Harbor Freight Tools, I think. And this is his yacht. So, well, I told you I was gonna do these short videos, and I hope you liked it. So, also, please leave a comment below if you wanna see more videos like this one, and please let me know if you enjoy the commentaries. So for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.